In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under types and features of economic systems. So guys, we have about 18 to 20 repeated questions practiced in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, Nigerian economy is a we have capitalist economy, mixed economy, command economy, socialist economy. The right answer is option B, which is mixed economy. Next question is this one. It says, in a planned economy, the emphasis is on we have public ownership and control, prices and competition, individual choice and decision, private ownership and control. The right answer is option A, which is public ownership and control. Next question is this one. It says, the regulation of telecommunication services in Nigeria is characteristic of we have market economy, traditional economy, feudal economy, command economy. The right answer is option A, which is market economy. Next question is this one. It says Nigerian economy is, I think we've already answered this question, is option A, which is mixed economy. Next question is this one. It says an economic system whose production and distribution of goods and services are centrally planned is referred to as we have socialism, capitalism, traditionalism, feudalism. The right answer is option A, which is socialism. Next question is this one. It says in a pure capital economy, the means and forces of production are owned are controlled by the we have private and public and private sectors, public sector, feudal laws, private sectors. The right answer is option D, which is private sector. Very important. Next question is this one. It says one of the features of a free market economy is that decisions of the economy are taken by bureaucratic structures. Workers do not earn equal wages. The profit motive is severely constrained. Resources are divided by the price mechanism. The right answer is option D, which is resources are divided by the price mechanism. The next question is this one. It says an economic system in which the producer and the consumer are the same is referred to as we have capitalist economy, socialist economy, subsistence economy, mixed economy. The right answer is option C, which is mixed economy. Next question is this one. It says state-owned enterprises are common in we have centrally planned economies, capitalist economy, developed economies, mixed economies. So guys, the right answer is option A, which is centrally planned economies. Alright, very important. Next question is this one. It says in a mixed economy, decisions to produce are taken by we have the government acting in the interest of the country, private individuals, organizations and the government, the market women, the labor unions and the employers association, men and women acting in their own best interest. The right answer is option B, which is private individual organizations and the government. Very important. The next question is this one. So guys, before I attend this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. So this question says a system in which the means of production is held in trust for the people by government is known as we have socialist economy, subsistence economy, mixed economy, capitalist economy. The right answer is option A, which is socialist economy. Next question is this one. It says an economic system that uses what is regarded as market mechanism is called we have option A, socialism, capitalism, mixed economy, command economy. So the right answer is option B, which is capitalism. Next question is this one. It says which of the following is applicable in a wholly capitalist economy? The price mechanism allocates resources, consumer sovereignty does not exist, households cannot freely decide what to spend on goods and services, there is government intervention in price determination. The right answer is option A, which is the price mechanism allocates resources. Next question is this one. It says an economy in which both the public and private sectors contribute to economic growth is a feudal economy, socialist economy, mixed economy, capitalist economy. The right answer is option C, which is mixed economy. Very, very important. The next question is this one. It says in a socialist economy, factors of production are owned and controlled by the so this is very, very simple, government. Option D, that's the right answer. Next question is this one. It says a major characteristic of a mixed economy is that the federal and the state government undertake joint projects. Both primary and secondary production are undertaken. Economic activities are undertaken by both the public and private sectors. Economic decisions are made by both the rich and the poor. The right answer is option C, which is economic activities are undertaken by both the public and private sectors. Very, very important. Next question is this one. It says a typical feature of a market economy is that consumer sovereignty exists, full employment exists, there is equality of economic agents, all producers make profit. The right answer is option A, which is consumer sovereignty exists. Okay, next question is this one. It says a capitalist economy is one characterized by we have private ownership of factors of production, ownership of factors of production by which members of the society, use of capital and labor in fixed proportions during production, use of capital intensive methods of production. Right answer is option A, which is private ownership of factors of production. Okay, so this is a characteristic of a capitalist economy. Next question is this one. It says economic freedom is a basic feature of we have a market economy, a developing economy, and industrialized economy, a planned economy. So the right answer is option A, market economy. Very important, guys. The last question before I end this video is this one. It says suppose the public expenditure as a percentage of GDP of 4 countries is shown in the table below. What type of economy is this in this country? So guys, the one that has the highest percentage of GDP is a typical mixed economy. So guys, the right answer is option B, which is the one with 50% is a mixed economy. Alright, so this is basically you can do the problems involving economic system under the subtopic features and types of economic system for your JAMB economics problems. To practice with 20 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel once more, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what and learn from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding the things I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. I'll be getting premium information that help you to excel in your SNE exam, like your JAMB and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.